This is Bob's server. He is Bob. This guy, Bob's time. Continue. Right there. And, oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh well. And then there's all the rules and stuff. And so there's go down here. Don't grief it, because you know it's not actually saved or anything. Over there. So this is all the spawning. You go past this over here. There's this guy. He is, I think, no, that's Bob. Here's Bob. Say hi, Bob. I don't think he knows it's been a video. Should I tell him? Yeah. I don't know. Okay. I told him. Oh well. Oh gosh. Oh well. And then this is all the wilderness and stuff. That's his shop. Don't know what that was. Something. Well, hello everybody. Okay. And then there is the back. Here's the survival area. This is where we just play for video, like just surviving. So fuck that much a lot. Cake and everything. Like melon farm, sugarcane. Right there. That's where they originally are. Normally. Hello, two videos. Hello, two videos. And yep, we got 2 videos going, I guess. And then up there, another house. Kind of make your own house. But this is where everybody stays until they can make their own house. But it's just fun to have. So hi to Bob. Owner Bob's time. Whoa! It's Bob! Bob! It's Bob! Hey Bob. But this is a great server. Everybody should probably get on this. You can get ranks easily. I've gotten my rank. I've gotten trusted in 1 day. So, like, usually, normally you stay citizen for a while, and then you'll get it. But I got it like just today. Today's my birthday. Oh. Okay, but alright. That's Bob's server. Bye-bye.